What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. No bullshit, straight talking Ford car discussion channel on YouTube. On today's episode we're going to be covering Dip Your Car, Stradman, Driftworks and a few others as well, and even a new small channel that has popped up as well. Before we jump into it, guys, do check out my other videos. It's a car discussion channel. Get involved. I do bring up your comments every Sunday. You know, if you're even new, smash the subscribe button. Every subscription is us one step closer to getting a project car, hopefully in June. And yeah, guys, just get involved and support the channel. That's what we're here to do, discuss what's going on. So we're going to jump into today's video. Basically, we're going to kick it off with Driftworks. I've never covered these guys before. It came up on my feed. This is an absolutely insane looking custom wide arch Murcilago. It is crazy looking. So I'm going to give you a quick clip of this. I hope to fuck I don't get copyrighted. So I'm not going to make the clip too long, but link in the description below if you want to check out this mental build of a Murcilago. There you have it, guys. As I said, link in the description below. What an insane build. The montage of it is absolutely sick. It's a different bit. Like, the thing about this build is they've kept the squareness kind of the Murcielago. They've got the what you call it, on the arches. I can't even think of the name, I don't know why. But it's got a nice rear end, a diffuser on the rear end. I really like the wheels in it, the way it's sitting on it. It's just an unbelievable looking machine that they've built. Highly recommend go and check out the video in the link in the description below, and let me know what you think, guys. Do comment if you haven't checked it out. It's a great build. Highly recommend checking out Driftworks as well. Next up is going to be Stradman. So Stradman's latest video was about the Bugatti, why he hasn't been driving it, but the one bit I wanted to get to was he got the new wheels for his wide arch Aventador. As we know, it was going to be white, they're 3-piece wheel. I thought it was going to be a bit of a more of a dish that he was going to get with these wheels. I really think they were going to be a bit more dishy because he was going so wide. He put them on and you see the difference in the wideness. But I was hoping for a bit more dish, I really was, but they're a nice set of wheels. They would look really sick when the car is finished. He was talking about, you know, him having to cut his original fenders, which he didn't want to do because the fenders he got with the kit were absolute shit. So let me know how you think this build is going to go, guys, because his question in the video was what colour should he spray the Aventador, the wide arch Aventador. He's not wrapping it, he's completely spraying it. So comment below, what colour do you think you should spray it? I don't think you should do purple because he's just wrapped so many purple cars. Pink, yeah, I've seen plenty of pink wide arch Liberty Walk kits over. I think I've seen them in SEMA and a few of the shows in Japan. I think the blue would probably be my pick, or red. Personally, would look pretty sweet. But I don't think purple or pink. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think he should spray the wide arch Aventador. It'll be interesting to hear what you think and how you think he's doing so far with his builds and you know, projects. We know that the Glard has been having issues as well. But yeah, it'll be interesting to hear your thoughts and comments below. Next up, guys, is going to be a small car YouTuber who commented on one of my videos. I always said I really want to give smaller channels, if I can, a bit of a leg up. Support them. I'm a small channel. It's always nice. The channel's name is called Rollcam. He asked me to check out his Aston Martin DB11 vid that he had access to. So this guy obviously sells cars, you know, and he got an access to the DB11, a very good in-depth access of around the car. The interior on these things are absolutely sick. If you're looking for a DB11, he said he can get you one, finance and stuff like that. I did comment below on his video saying, like, the more supercars that you get on your channel. Really, it is the formula for getting a bit bigger, and just covering them in detail. And just don't make, like it's a nice short 5-minute video. It's not too long. I highly recommend going into the description below, click on the video support, roll cam, help him if he gets a few subs out of this would be great. Check out the interior on the DB11. It is sick. Like, the fucking thing is all tan. I just love the way it's shaped inside there. These cars go for around 205,000 depending on the spec you go for. You know, they're just a beast of a machine, and I just like the way he kind of transitions as well from the from what he's talking about, which is pretty cool. So hopefully he can pick up some more sports cars like this and supercars, and hopefully he gains traction and it gives them a bit of a help. So yeah, go and check out his video, guys, support him, and let me know what you think of the DB11 below as well. Next up is going to be Dip Your Car. Now, Dip Your Car have finally done it. It's been asked, I think I asked this question maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, was it ever going to happen? And they've cracked it with KP Pigments. They've finally figured out a way to spray peelable chrome, which is brilliant. And it sounds like it's going to be very, very hard to spray, but they've done it, and well, I'm going to show you the results. It came out pretty good for sprayable peelable chrome. There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below, would you spray your car in peelable chrome paint? I mean, for the amount of work that's been put into this to get this product out there, obviously it's just not like the dip sprayer that they usually have. It has to be with a professional spray gun. You really want to know what you're doing. You have to make sure you have very even coats going down. They use the black Autoflex paint, and that was sanded, you know, and buffed before that went on there as well. So there's a lot of prep work to go into it. It did come out really, really nice. You wonder if they're going to come out in different colors. And yeah, I mean, look, fair dues to Dip Your Car. It gives people another option for people that dip cars. I don't even think we can actually buy off dipyourcar.com and bring it over to Ireland. I'm not too sure. But you know, fair dues to them. It came out pretty cool, and they've done it, you know, after all this time. Let me know what you think of it below if you've watched the video. Would you dip your car in chrome? Just interesting to hear what you think, guys. Next up, and I think it's going to be the last one. The last one is going to be RDBLA. You know, I love covering these guys. Like, they're one of my favorite channels out there. RDBLA, basically the reason covering it is because they got back the khaki green wide arch Aventador that they did, and it's just amazing how it just turns heads. It sounds sick. I'm just going to give you a quick clip of it, just hopefully again I don't get bloody copyrighted. I tried to pick out the clips where I don't get copyrighted, so here's a quick clip for you guys. There you have it. What do you think of the khaki green wide arch Aventador? I love it. The green, it's not my favourite colour, I'm not gonna lie, but because there's such a presence, the stance in it, the way they get the stance in these cars there are ridiculous. No wonder like the biggest celebrities go to them to get their work done, and they're always up the walls. It's just their work is second to none. I love watching them because of the cool latest cars that they get, and just the way they modify them to different specs of different people. Like the Taiga's, the new Maybach that was there, and that got wrapped as well. That was pretty cool. It's just cool to see what cars celebrities have and what they end up doing, modifying them. But that Aventador, wide arch Aventador, is definitely one of my favourites out there, apart from the colour. But if you have seen it, guys, comment below and let me know, because it's one car I wouldn't mind having in my arsenal if you were pretty rich. I would definitely go to RDBLA to modify all my cars if I had the money. Would definitely be up there as well. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Again, if you're new, do consider smashing the subscribe button, and all my regular viewers, please do like, subscribe, and do get commenting below. Again, remember, guys, I bring up your comments every Sunday. And yeah, until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.